Looking for the perfect hot glue gun that combines power, precision, and portability? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, crafter, or professional, having the right glue gun makes all the difference. Today, we're revealing the top 5 hot glue guns that deliver outstanding performance. Number 5. This heavy-duty cordless heat gun is a game-changer for serious craftspeople and professionals. Designed to work seamlessly with Makita 18V batteries, it brings incredible versatility to your workshop. What makes this tool exceptional is its powerful heating capability combined with true cordless freedom. The package includes 3 specialized nozzles for different projects. Whether you're working on heat shrink applications, removing paint, or handling intricate handicrafts, this tool delivers consistent performance. The battery-powered design means you can work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Its professional-grade construction ensures durability for years of demanding use. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended projects. For those who already own Makita tools, this is a perfect addition to your arsenal. If you want to purchase this product, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. Innovation meets convenience with this intelligent cordless hot glue gun featuring 12-second rapid preheating technology. This impressive heating speed means you spend less time waiting and more time creating. The standout feature is its smart auto-off function that enhances safety and extends battery life by automatically shutting down when not in use. Coming with 30 high-quality glue sticks, you'll have plenty of supplies to complete multiple projects right out of the box. The USB rechargeable design eliminates battery replacement hassles. Perfect for crafts, repairs, graduation decorations, and wedding decorations, this versatile tool adapts to any creative challenge. The cordless design provides complete freedom of movement from any angle. Its lightweight construction reduces hand strain during extended use. An ideal Christmas gift for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. If you want to purchase this product, check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. For those who prefer reliable corded power, this professional 20W hot glue gun set delivers exceptional performance at an unbeatable value. This comprehensive kit includes 30 premium glue sticks measuring 0.27 x 3.93 inches, ensuring you're well equipped for extensive projects. The 20-watt heating element provides consistent, steady temperature for smooth glue application. Compatible with both 110V and 220V with its US plug design, this tool offers remarkable versatility. The corded design means unlimited runtime without worrying about battery life. Perfect for plastic bonding, craft projects, home repairs, and professional applications. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. The built-in stand allows safe placement when not in use. Quick heating gets you working faster with minimal waiting. Durable construction ensures reliable service for years. If you want to purchase this product, check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, style meets functionality with this gorgeous pink cordless hot glue gun kit designed for creative enthusiasts. This beautiful tool combines eye-catching aesthetics with powerful performance that crafters absolutely love. The fast heating wireless technology ensures you can start projects quickly without delays. Included are 12 pieces of 0.43-inch large glue sticks, providing excellent coverage and strong bonding. The cordless design offers unmatched portability, allowing you to work anywhere inspiration strikes. Perfect for arts, crafts, decorations, and as a thoughtful gift for women who love creating. The comfortable grip makes extended crafting sessions enjoyable. The precise temperature control prevents burning delicate materials. Its compact size makes storage convenient. An excellent Christmas gift choice for creative women. The package includes everything needed to start crafting immediately. If you want to purchase this product, check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Our top pick is this exceptional cordless hot glue gun that perfectly balances performance, safety, and convenience. This tool features 20-second rapid heating technology, getting you started fast. The USB rechargeable design eliminates battery replacement costs. Included are 25 high-quality glue sticks, providing excellent value from purchase. The anti-drip safety protection prevents accidents and ensures professional results. Perfect for repairing plush toys, handmade projects, Labubu crafts, and Christmas decorations. Advanced safety features include automatic temperature regulation and overheat protection. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended sessions. Its lightweight construction allows precise control without fatigue. The cordless freedom lets you work from any position, ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters. This is the ultimate hot glue gun for serious crafters. If you want to purchase this product, check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.